Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. This is part 2 of our live session on 12/7/2018. Let's get right to the charts. How's it going, guys? Back again. The party is continuing. So looking at the, let's go back to the SPY. So SPY's holding this area here right at the 263.70 or double bottom here from the other day. Let's go to the daily. You can see a little bit better. Right here. So this is what we're holding here right now. We hold the old gap fill. Oh, no, we didn't fill the gap fill yet, though. But look at that, guys. The SPY options are over $7 now. The high, yeah, they actually went to 772, guys, is the high on these options. We got in around $1.13 or $1.19, depending if you rinsed and repeat with us. We're out of these trades, but if you're in them still, get out of these trades. They expire today, so you know, whatever you want to do. But if they're at 7.15, you got in at $1.13. Time to get out. So, all right, guys, just watching some of my other trades. AMD's getting closer to be closing this one out. We were short that one. Tesla, guys. Oh, my gosh. Can't say enough about this one. We shorted again. We added again. We shorted here. We covered. Went back up. We shorted again. Covered half. We did it again here. And actually, we could probably cover half for another 10. So now we're up on this trade. It's got to be $50 now, $45. And we're really in the driver's seat now. So we are live, baby. No more. No, I want more from my SPY puts. Yeah, exactly, John, right? So but I got to tell people, John, or all my members, it's like, guys, sell, sell, sell. You know, it's easy to be a pig and get slaughtered in these markets and say, oh, man, Bookie made the call. It was a great call. The next thing you know, we get a buy program. And we're straight up for the next hour into the close. That's why I'm saying, guys, get out, get out, get out. Don't be waiting for me to tell you what to do, especially on a crazy busy day. You just got to exit these things and take the money. Yeah, I sold at 305, guys, but we rinsed and repeated once, got back in, did it again. And God, I should have held a quarter position. You know, of course, after the fact, it's always easy to see the trade. I should have. You know, this thing could have went straight up and they would be at zero right now. They would be at zero because it's an option X that we took on today that expires today. But man, did those things move. Yeah, it is. You know, that's why I'm trying to teach you guys. You get a profit, get the hell out. Don't even wait. Don't wait to get your ass kicked. That's because that's what basically you're doing. But look at workday, guys, coming in nice now. Yeah, this one was a pain in the ass, but we have a little topping tail here. Had the retrace. We added more, you know, and then bam, guys. That's how you got to trade these things. Look at that. First area of support will be about the 158, and then we're going down to probably 152. You in here, Christoph? Try to get some more people in here. Let's see. I just posted another thing on StockTwits. I think I did it on Twitter. Yeah, part 2. So we're on there. So all my members can get in here. God, we had a real good session. But like I said, I had to go get my kids. Look at this, guys. New lows on the day. These options are going to $8 now. Damn. If you're in these options from $1.13, get the hell out. If you are being a pig, good for you. But remember, we could get a massive buy program at the end of the day and you get slaughtered. So make sure you're taking these off the table. I'm already out a long time ago, unfortunately. Gosh, unbelievable. Man, just killing it, guy. Hold on, guys. I'm just getting into some other ones here. I want to try to get some more people in here real quick. Apple, BA, NVIDIA, AMD, and what about, you know what I haven't really looked at? The IBB. We used to short that one all the time, too. Its options are $7.53 to $8 now, guys. All right, so let's see here. Told you we're going to retest the lows. Been out of my lottos, though. Yeah, you know what, Carmelo? You take the profit and see you later. 6 cents to $1. Nice. Yeah, these options just killed it. Ours went from $1.13 to $8. To restrict my small account will be a medium account. Thanks, Bucky. Yeah, you know what? Just keep plugging away, guys, slow and steady. You know, when I traded with the guys who taught me how to trade, guys, you know, and I'd be like, I was only doing intraday scalping. That's it. I was a big time scalper for about 2-3 years, and I had a big enough account to start swing trading and doing all that stuff, and shorting calls and shorting puts and all that. But what happens is, you know, you start getting, you know, oh, that, well, Bookie, he could go short this or do that and do this, and here I am stuck in this one trade and this and that, which is fine, guys. But it's still a slow and steady grind. This is a marathon we're in. We're not in a sprint. We're not looking to do, you know, 500% in a year. But, you know, honestly, though, guys, if you took all my trades, you know, I mean, it's hard to take every one of them, especially if you have a small account. But if you have a huge account, you know, say you have $1 million account, I'd be in these trades with 20,000, 25,000 and just spread them apart, guys. You got to get, you know, and in that route, you could get into 30, 35 trades at a time. We have over 470 trades on the year, guys. And I think right now we have maybe 76 losers. So if those, say if we had 100 losers, just to round it up. So now, so say we have 500 trades on the year. We have 100 losers. Now those 100 losers with 100 winners are going to counter those. So at the end of the day, we still have 300 winners on the year. Even if you made a 0.5% in each one of those trades, 0.5%, going small, going, you know, slow and steady, that's still a what, 150% gain on the year? 150% returns. Even if you got a 0.25% on those trades, you're still at like 75% on the year. Guys, I know, see Tesla, Michael? Oh, look at Google, guys, at the lows. Amazon's getting slapped. Donkey Boy's getting hammered right now. I still get emails from them. You suck. You're losing on all your trades. Huh? Guys, post something in here. Losing on all my trades. We just had 7 puts. 7 puts in the last week. We were getting killed on some of those. All came back for huge gains. They all came back from the dead. A couple of them were okay. But man, imagine if we would have held some of those. You know what? Let me look. So we were in, I think the two were, what were we in here? God, you know, I hate doing this, hate looking, but we were in the SPYs 270s. We bought them on 1130 at $1.48. I don't even want to look, to be honest with you. Ah, shoot. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me see if I can get these in there. They're at 668 right now. Okay. The DIAs, we bought 253 December 7th at 206. We're out of these, guys. I'm just looking to see what I left on the table. 253s. They're at $9 right now. You know, and that's if we would have just went all the way to Friday, which, you know me, guys, I just get out, take the profit. But, you know, maybe once in a while we hold a couple contracts and we ride these things out. The DIAs, that the ones that were in the basement, the 245s. Was it 245? Let's see. Yeah, there, you know what, the DIAs, those things, you know what, they didn't 245. They're only at $1.55. But these at the high, let's see where these ones. Hey, you know, you got to do it though, to look at your trades and say, hey, you know what, why didn't I hold? What should I have done? Yeah, see these 245s. Yeah, yesterday they hit the high of 295. So those went okay. Still over 100% though. But the IWM 150s. Let's look at those. IWM. So the 150s today. Let's see where those are today. 651. So those puts we bought at 155 are at 651 now. We didn't hold. Maybe some of my members held. I'm not sure. But my gosh. Oh, gosh. I just got an email from a StockTwits guy. Last time, bud, your agenda is to make money shorting. That's not for me. Takes a special kind of person to short. You're that guy. No, it actually takes a smart investor to short, dude. It's not a matter of I'm that guy. Yeah, I know. I'm just, you know what? I like to look at it because it's like, okay, what can I do here, guys? What should I have left a little bit on the table? You know, I love the stock twit stuff. You know, and then people are like, why are you shorting? Why are you doing? It's like, oh my gosh, you got to go both ways, guys. Why wouldn't you short? In a market like this, every uptick has led to more selling. So, but whatever. Anyways, oh my God, new lows, guys. Here they go. They're popping now. Oh man, unbelievable. These are at 817 now. Gosh darn it, look at that. Well, I guess I'd be a little more pissed if I had a big position on it. I didn't take a huge position. So be like, oh, I left how much? I left 100K on the table. 817 of them just went off. Gosh, we almost picked it off the low, and the low of the day on these were like 95 cents. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. I bought March puts on AZO today. All right. Is it actually red today? Oh my gosh, it just went red. Oh my, I prayed about this when I was at my kids go to Catholic school, so I was praying about it. Maybe that's the power of prayer, guys. But again, you know what? You got to be happy with what you get. You know, we had the right trade. We took, and you know, the big thing for me is that, you know, I know that I took the trade. It was the right thing to do. We played the little topping tail on the SPY. That was pretty much something that I've learned with technical analysis. You know, it always doesn't work out, but this one, I mean, you couldn't play this any better. We took the trade right here, and then we went back in right here, and then lights out. So guys, we're getting to that double bottom again from yesterday. This, oh my gosh, this is getting interesting now, guys. Let me take that. I had the holy cow. We're gonna dump out. So if we take out this 262.48, guys, hold on to your hats. The donkey is getting smashed again, but he'll come back. Guys, I was 90% down on my trades, and they came back. No money management, nothing. That's enough about him, though. It's just funny stuff. You know what, guys? AMD. I want to look at this one. This one's got to be coming lower. Yeah. You're still holding on to that quarter position of AMD. I think I'm just going to cut this one. Let's see. We sold half of the half. We're in a quarter position at 1998. If we get another buck, I'm just going to pull it. I think we could go down more, but you know what? I'd rather get out of positions, guys, and then sit in here and then find out, you know, we get a big gap up on Monday, and this thing's taking our heads off. We had a nice trade on this one. We got it from $23.20, $4 on a $20 stock. How do you beat that, guys? So, you know, I'd rather just put winners on here and say thank you very much, on to the next one. Because you know how AMD is, guys. It's a cold stock. Next thing you know, it's you know, everyone's buying the dip or whatever they're doing. I'm covering it, guys. I don't care. Guys, I'm out at 1920. This position is closed. Donkey boy, I do not have a position in AMD anymore. I really don't. Tesla, we shorted again. All right, I got to post that. So 1920, we are out of AMD, guys. We shorted that one on 12.3. Done again. See you next time, loser. Everyone's trying to buy. We bought the dip. Why isn't it working? So 1920, guys, I am done. What a great trade. And that was another winning trade. We haven't had a loser on AMD, guys. It's been so long. And Donkey Boy tells everybody that he's been losing in that one for a long time. Blah 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 blah. We lost in this one, guys. We were getting our ass kicked. Okay, came back in. We covered it here. Came back up, popped up. We shorted right here. We covered last half right here. I still think we go to 18, but I don't care. If we go right back up, we'll do it again. That's why I'm not going to mess around right now. And we get profits for taking them and keep it going, guys. Don't be a donkey. Hee-haw. All right, guys, if you're new to the room, this is part 2 today. I had to go pick up my kids. We're doing it again. We're testing these lows on the SPY. AMD, we just covered. Yeah, you know what? Let me look at some other trades here, guys. Oh, my God. Look at Netflix. Oh, my God. The donkey bought. What? No way. Oh, my God. He's getting murdered. I don't even know what options he bought. But, my God, he doesn't tell anybody. No money management, nothing. Oh, my gosh. Holy cow. Guys, are you in those Netflix puts? Someone had Netflix puts on this. You guys are killing it. Damn it. But look at this, guys. This is a complete downtrending stock, and people are still trying to go long. Look at NVIDIA getting smashed. Everything's getting smashed at this point, guys. I bought the dip like a tart on Netflix. Don't do it. Don't worry, buddy. You'll learn. When you take those trades, you right before you click the buy button, you're going to be like, would Bookie do this? Yeah, that's tough. I mean, you got double bottom there. I don't know if you're still in them. I mean, if you hold this, maybe. My God, though, getting hammered. Burn Netflix, yeah. Lows on lows, yeah. Oh yeah, made a high, lower high. This is where it was kind of like, this is getting. It took out this lower high here, and then it was like, ooh, is it going to start? But then you have the trend line. Look at that, came back in. We were short right here, guys. I think we took $5 or $6 on a day trade. Look at this fall, and then another retrace. Get all the retards back in, down again. Get them all in again, slam again. Then this little reversal yesterday, people. Oh, here we go. And they're tanking it again. Buy the effing dip, Christoph. You know. I don't care. I will hold it until I have a little profit. Yeah, okay. Well, be careful, though, because if the markets keep going, you're going to 250. And then if that cracks, you're going a lot lower. Just be careful with that trade, bud. I have just 3 left. There you go. Keep popping them off. Because you don't know. You're coming into support, guys, on the SPY again. Okay, we're still in a massive confirming downtrend, but we are holding these lows, guys. So just be careful. They're trying to catch a bid on these markets right now. We're coming into major areas, guys. They got to throw out the China trade. What else? What else were they throwing out? Oh, Uncle Jerome. Next race hike. Next meeting, he's going to really look at it hard this time. Throw anything being thrown out there, guys. Any news? They have to be right now. I'm sure Buffett's sitting on Becky Quick's lap right now. Hi, Warren. What do you think? Are you buying more Apple here? Yeah, Becky. I have 14 billion more to buy. Oh, man. Bookie, my question again, I feel like Tesla will do even more down, but if the markets go up, it might retrace what to do. Right now, if you shorted Tesla, I'm not sure where you're in. But we added more. We shorted it before. We're totally in the driver's seat with Tesla. You hear that, donkey? We are making money on Tesla. It's hard. If the markets continue going lower, Tesla will go lower. Because eventually news will subside. All the buyers and shorts who covered today in Tesla, that will all move aside. And then there's no buyers or no shorts to squeeze at all. It's just pure freaking tank. So that's why you just got to get careful. If you're not that down in the Netflix trade, I don't know. I would maybe cut it because we could get a bounce next week, guys. Wild card is the holiday season, or we're so programmed that every December we go up. Is this the one December we just get killed? You just don't know. Unfortunately, when the time's up in the markets, time is up. Nothing matters at that point. We'll get small bounces that will most likely be met with more selling. That's the problem in these markets right now. Every bounce we get, it's being met with selling pressure. You got to understand that. Until we get some footing and this thing starts going up. But as soon as we start going up 5-6 days, it's met with more selling. But here we are. We're catching a little bit of bid on the SPY. So let's see what happens. Alta put December 21st. Lulu put December. Those are Alta. If they're working out, yeah. If you have those and they're working out, get out of them. But, I mean, their monthly chart plays. You got a massive pullback on them. Where is Alta right now? Hold on here. Alta's got to be going lower. But yeah, holding. So we're almost out of Alta too, guys. If you're in the Alta position, just make sure you're protecting it. You know, with the gap down yesterday, or yeah, today with the earning stuff, so we got a gift on that one. But yeah, so we're only holding a quarter position now, guys. So and we're up another $6 on the last quarter. So maybe, you know, we'll see what this market does. If it catches some footing, I might just cover that one and just get out of that one as well. That was a good trade too, guys. We rinsed and repeated, and boom, 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 and in and out, done. Workday's coming back. Workday's getting work today. Autodesk, for all you guys who are kind of wondering about Autodesk. Oh, what do we do, bookie? It's going up in our face. Look at that. Boom, boom. Guys, we're going to be down, like I said, 120. It's getting there, baby. All right. Uh-oh. Johnny going to get mad at me. Sorry. Went long GE for a quick end day trade. Oh, man. No, you're all right, dude. Just be, just beware. I mean, you're in that spot. Here was my spot, though, guys. All right, let's look at the daily. Now, you know what? I'm just trying to teach you guys that, hey, $7 ain't bad, but man, this thing cracked 7 and we're going to 6. I mean, it's but we're not getting any massive volume. We're not getting any reversal signals in here. That's a tough trade. We've been holding this area too. Look at this, Brian. Down, sideways, below the MAs, weak stance, starting to break down again. So just be careful in this trade. The market's flush. This is going lower. Everyone's trying to buy it here. Especially here, as it's been holding for days. Everyone, man, I don't know. This could be it. I don't know. But it's not bad. Just know, Brian, just small share size. One Fed chair guy says should hold back. Yeah, that's the other thing too. You guys going to get all the, you short from Tesla from 377? Take a little off, man. Don't be shy. Head and shoulder set up on the SPY. If it pops. Which one, Colin? For the GE, yeah, just be careful. You know my area, $6 and $5 on that. Cashed out. Yep. There you go, man. Done. Now you can go to sleep this weekend, chase the sun. That's it. Exactly. Well, hey, thanks for covering, because maybe it's my turn now to write it down. All right. But yeah, you get $17 on that trade. Get out. Especially if you have a bigger position. Doesn't it feel good taking profits, guys? Thank you. Like AMD, it's probably going to go down. F you, AMD. I'll see you again. It's another trade for me, guys. It's just another trading vehicle to trade. That's it. Monthly, I think you were showing. Yeah, well, the SPY. I mean, everyone was talking about the inverse head and shoulder. Oh, it's going to buy. It's going to play out. And now here we are, right back here. It can still play out, but another head and shoulder. Maybe. Let's see. Maybe on the 60-minute, maybe. Monthly, I think you were showing. Nah, there's nothing on the. Oh, on the month. Okay, yeah, I know what you're saying. If we go back up one more time and then come back in. That's the only because I mean it's not the best head and shoulder. I would have loved to have gone up and then roll over like this, but I mean this is why here's the left shoulder, here's the head, and this is kind of the right shoulder. I mean, if we would have went up and kind of rolled over, that would have been a little nicer. But look here's your line, guys. This is your big area right here. This is what they're protecting. Remember what we follow, guys? The weekly close. Yeah, CDW. Yeah, that one's killing it too. I've been telling you guys this. Markets come in. They're all coming in, guys. Another play. What does this one look like? The KO. What other chart? The KO. There's so many charts like this. Boom, 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 and one more pop comes right back in. Oh, DAL. That was another great. You had this trend line and a double top. Look at that thing coming in, guys. If you happen, I did not get. I should have taken this one, but you guys are in this one. You got $5 already on this one. Get the hell out. Take something off the table. It's a $60 stock. That's a hell of a trade. I was in a rush, so I bought 90.30 instead of 93. Felt like an idiot, but no problem now. Yeah, you know what? Again, Len, Small positions. Just make sure, if it got it, if it popped up a little more, then just have room in there. Oh, you sold? Good job, guys. Love it. See ya. Goodbye. Yeah. But that's what, I mean, this thing went up to 96. Boom, shakalaka. Yeah, thanks, Christoph. But yeah, guys, we're in the driver's seat. It's always good. Everyone's happy, this and that. We're not going to have the best trades all the time, but hey, we could put ourselves in a pretty good position and get some winners. Now, if we have a couple losers, it's not that big of a deal. Look at Adobe, though, guys. Tanking. Up move and tank job today. Ever since from that gap up. Look at that gap up and look at that lights out. That's another one should have freaking did something with. Gap fill, double top. Did anyone catch the Adobe short? God, look at that. Even on this pop. Ugh. So this is where you start getting cute, and we could have easily went up one more day and then dropped it. You could have added here and just wait. Could have at least gotten a half position here, but you know what? What are you going to do? The story of my life. Christoph, you're funny, bud. Should have held that goose short longer. Yeah, but you know what? We got paid, man. Twice on goose. Twice. Oh, look at that. Just tanking now. It went right to my area, though, huh, guys? Gap fill. This one's going to $50, guys. See, but again, you know what? We could have got a massive bid. Everything's going back up again, and then we could just do it again. That's why we added 8 positions, I think, on the pop-up day on Monday. 8 shorts, and they're all coming in now. Everyone was like, well, what are you doing, Bookie? Look at Twilio, guys. Tanky, tanky. Oh, man. Rinse and repeat, baby. That's what we do here. So we got out of Twilio at 86. We added again at 93. And you know what, guys? It's looking good again. No, again, like I said, guys, it's fun when you're kicking ass and taking names. It's terrible when you're getting your ass kicked. I to make fun of people and stuff like that when they're losing, is one thing, but it's real money. When you trade with donkey bucks, it's not that big of a deal. Hee-haw, right? No, I shouldn't say that. Gosh. Yeah, Colin, that's the story of my life, man. I should have held. Remember Amazon when we were shorting this name, guys? We shorted on this pop here, and then it came down, and I think it was on one of these pops. And then it stopped us out. Oh no, this one we caught. We caught it to like 1,700. So we ended up getting about 30 something bucks on this. And then it tanked. And I think we did it on this one too. There was another one too. They popped it up on us. They dropped it, and then we got. Oh no, it was the long trade we took. Might have been this one here. It was a long trade. But then we were in another Amazon trade up here, and we got paid on that one. So we went long on Amazon one day. We were starting to do good, and then it came back and it stopped the sound, and it just ripped like 90 bucks. It's like, damn. The new team term, donkey bucks. Yeah, Brian, you've been with me a while. Oh, Pedro. And he still sends me emails. He's like, here was his last email. Well, this one here. When I was choking on my last session, he's like, I hope you choke to death. Something like that. What was this? He wrote me another one. I had to laugh. Oh, he's calling me a clown because I take my 50% off the table. It's a profit, you moron. No, you just hold your shit until it goes to zero. And massive, $2,500 options, and they're going to zero, and he's telling people to hold it. We're fine. Anyways, yeah, should have held go. BECN 1221, $30 put, then April call. What's that going to do? I'm not that. Raj, are you in here today? Ah, there he goes. He sent me another. He just said, so he is in here. He sent me another email. We'll see. I hope you choke on your phlegm. No, it's my allergies, dumbass, and I have 3 kids under the age of 12. Why do you think I would be sick? Oh, my God. Well, let's see, huh? 3 kids that go to school that are sick, not all the time, but a lot because everyone else is sick. You're a moron. I could kill you in 30 seconds. Wow. You don't even know me, dude. You have no idea who I am. Moron. Why don't you go find someone else to troll? I massively crushed you like a little fat roach. But BECN, is that like a bull call spread or something like that? What are you trying to play in that, R builders? Yeah, no, I don't think there's any trolls in here. I don't even know, honestly. I honestly don't even care. You know what, guys? We're kicking ass, taking names. All my members know it, and that's what that's what all that matters. You know, people will come in here, people will talk shit. Eventually, we'll be private, so we don't have to worry about that. But you know what, guys? We had a ton of stuff. We have a ton of trades. We covered so many trades this week for big winners, guys. We had 7 put positions that kicked ass. We took Amazon calls the other day that kicked ass. You know, I mean, we're doing it all, guys. We're shorting puts, we're shorting calls, we're doing it all. I don't know. Right now, I'm from the South Bronx. Yeah, right. You know, did I cancel that one? Oh no, there you go. I'm from the South Bronx. Guys, I'm 6 feet tall, 200 pounds. I can handle myself, believe me. I'm 48 years old, still in good shape. I could probably be in better shape. But you know what? I'm not a personal trainer, donkey. That's what you do for a living. I'm a day trader. Go train somebody or something. Give that guy what? Give that guy some haterade? What is that? I don't even know. I'm out of the Alta. Thanks, StockBookie. 45% on December. Nice, dude. Perfect. We're all still in PM, right? Seems to go. Yeah, PM's going to be a tough one. We got out of half of that one, though. PM, we sold half. So we're out of half. And just kind of, it's one of those stocks, guys. It's the safe haven one. It's the, you know, all right, buy Philip Morris because everything's tanking. So you notice how when everything's tanking, it's holding up. But today, guys, we're tanking and it's not holding up that good. So you gotta watch that. But on those days where everyone's feeling good and selling PM and going into Amazon, you know, yeah, we're out of half of those shares at 82.92. I was going to add more to that, but the PMs, the Verizons, they're all pain in the ass. They take time. They're all gonna come in. Starbucks is a pain in the ass. They're all just being a pain in the ass. Put it that way. But we'll get there. We'll get there on this stuff. Hold on here, guys. CDW. Where's this one at? 91. Okay, I just want to make sure. Yeah, because we added more to this one. We shorted at 90.22. We got out at 85.31 on CDW. We're back in at 93.87 and now 91.20. So it's coming back down. So I'm going to hold this one still. I think this one can come down a little bit more. So what do we have left? About a half hour left to the markets, guys. There's a roofing supplier that bought out about 60% of their competition. Is jealous because you're making money. Yeah, you know what? It's what, you know what? It's just, I hate when people lie about people, and that's one thing he's been doing over and over and over. He's telling all his people. I get these emails from his members that they're supposedly his friends. I get these emails saying, "Hey, he's talking shit about you." And these guys, I've known these guys for a long time, and they followed him, they follow me. But the thing that pisses me off the most, guys, is when people are lying just every day. He was telling everybody, AMD, I'm just getting my ass kicked. Tesla, getting my ass kicked. If you're clearly a member, you see what the hell's going on. You know? Yes, I'm a member. Just forgot to with YouTube account. I'm not sure what that. B, yeah. What are you trying to do with those options though? Are you betting on the downside with those? Is that how those things are playing out? You know, that's what let's look at the BECN. BECN. Yeah, see, there's not. Yeah, no, this is just a beat down name. We maybe go up more, but right now we're down. We're going sideways on the monthly. This thing's setting up for lower prices. We had a nice little bounce here, but still couldn't get above the 20 MA and the 618 retrace. 35 even number. This is where we're breaking down. I mean, if it stalls out here and consolidates, then maybe higher prices.
If this thing consolidates and starts slipping, I think you go right back to double bottom. Markets start to dump, you will go back to double bottom. So be real careful on these. Hey guys, we're getting a couple little tails on some of these stocks here. We could actually go up towards the end of the day. We're on some good support right now. I'm not doing anything because we're still in a confirming downtrend in these markets. So I'm not buying it, going to take a last day trade, but even Amazon's looking pretty good, guys, for a nice little pop into the close. I mean, let's see. Amazon's at 1636 right now. Let's see if we get that pop. What a tool. Yeah, right. You feel next week we'll get a rally? I don't know. I'm going to have to look at the charts this week. Watch the weekly update on, if you remember, watch the SPY and the index weekly update. All right, guys, we're trying to catch a bid here, but this one, just be careful. You got the dead cat bounce over and over, sold condition. This was a $68 stock that went to 25 bucks. Everyone's getting interested, but, this is what's happening with a lot of these stocks. You're going to go up and come right back in. So markets go up, these can continue higher. All right, guys, market's getting a little bit of a bid. I'm seeing, I'm looking at the 10-minute time frame right now. I see something that in a lot of these charts that's telling me possible up moves, and we're into some pretty good support. They got to get it up, guys. They can't, Uncle Jerome, they take that Viagra, get that thing up. Pop it, baby, pop it. All right, Amazon's on the move now a little bit. Let's see if I'm not taking a trade, but let's see if this would have been. All right, let's go into let's just see. Sometimes, sometimes good, sit on the sideline, see what the trade is. Let's look at, gosh, it's too late now. It'll be maybe 265s. Calls. Shoot, I'm in the wrong section here. Damn it. Damn, look at these calls just getting hammered. Wow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you'd have to go. You got to go out onto the 10th. Let's see what's on the 10th. Where are we? 264s. All right, let's see. 266s. I'm not taking this trade. I'm just looking at, say, hey, if we get a bounce. All right, the 266s at the lows, they were about 91 cents. They're at 119 right now. Let's just see. Let's see what this does. 119 was the last price. That would have went off at 30. Yeah, it went off 20 seconds ago, 119. Right now, these are 118 by 124. That's if the market goes up. I'm seeing a couple things where we could possibly get a squeeze into the end. But again, I'm not taking it. We're in a confirming downtrend. Volume's at 114 million. I mean, we could go right back down like we're doing. But they're trying to come in here and do this. Amazon, I'm liking a little bit more. But again, we're in a confirming downtrend. This thing can tank. So, let's see. I'll beat their asses. Robert, thank you, buddy. I might take you up on that one. Give that guy some hatred. Yeah, whatever. It just when someone keeps lying about you over and over and over, and then you see stuff over and over, it's like, really? Really? He's telling everyone I was short AMD at like 12 bucks, 9 bucks, 8 bucks. And we just covered our short on AMD again. I don't know. It's like, wow, what the hell did you get out of that one? Alta, we killed it on that one. We're still in the PM. Yes, we are. It's the only one I still have open, actually. Yeah, we're still in the PM. That one's just being a little, you know what. Yes, I'm a member. Just forgot to switch YouTube account. Okay, yeah, you got to follow me on YouTube, and then you'll get the alert. But if you're a member, then oh, wait a second here. Make sure you're on my Twitter feed too. If you're not in the Twitter feed, I know I blocked a couple of people, but if you're not in my Twitter feed, let me know and I'll get you in there. All right, these options are at 128. They're clicking off, so going up a little bit. Nothing crazy. But yeah, that BECN, just be careful with that one. I'm up 3% on GE. Woohoo! Oh, 3 cents. Hey, it's better than nothing. Closing at lows today, maybe. Tesla's making a nice falling star on the daily chart. Yeah, we'll see with that one. Again, I want to see what the weekly close is. All right, those options are 134 now, guys. I hope someone took them. No. Oh, it's a bull spread. Is that what it is? So you want it to go up. Okay. Yeah, that's a tough one, that one. 139 now on those options. Maybe we get a 100%er. I'm not in them, guys.
But you know what? As you know what, it's a nice stress trade. Let's see if it would have worked. But you know, I'm thinking with the lows, support, a lot of shorts like we did today, starting to cover, saying, you know what, I'm done. I covered it. You don't want to wake up on Monday to a China trade talk news. You know, we're close. I sure hate the fake bounces in the market. Yeah. I mean, that's what's happening. We're getting the bounces that's led to more selling, guys. But this one here, I mean, this is a tough one. We got the bounce. I mean, it could still going up, but you know, if it could get above this 20 MA, then maybe higher prices. If it can't, then watch for the base and then the next move up. All right. If you close below this low at 32.39, you're most likely going to start slipping and going back to the lows. You know, this isn't really the prettiest stock. It was a high flyer though at one point. That's why is this another one that should have never have been $66 stock, and now you're kind of trending down here. This still hasn't broke the trend. The trend you'd have to get up above these moving averages and then maybe higher prices. But just watch out. This one's still weak, still at the lower end of the range, coming from a high pivot that could lead to lower prices possibly. I know John is the real deal. Been following his method and seeing winners for the last 2 years. Not fake at all. No, I have everything posted, man. You know me, Brian. I have nothing to hide, guys. If you look on StockTwits, you see when I post my big ass trades on there, and I take some big ass trades. Let me tell you. You know, 60 grand winners, $70,000 winners, $100,000 winners. Those I don't tell anyone about, guys. Those just shut people up when they're talking shit about me. Right. Sherry, are you in here? I'm sorry to hear that. I had Sherry. Sherry's been following me for a while, and she's just been having tough times. Yeah, it's brutal. I was there, Sherry. Getting my ass kicked years ago. Every trade I take, get my ass kicked. All right, guys, those options are at 150 now. I'm in them. I'm the donkey. I took those. I really did. I'm up 50% now. But seeing that's what we were looking at with the SPY, guys. I am the wizard. Don't ever forget it. If those go up 100, I'm gonna freaking break a monitor now. I got 6 of them, so I'll break one. I'll have 5 now. Should close Facebook and MAR short? Maybe. I mean, we're catching a bid right now. These things are going 158 now. Damn it. That's up to you. If you have nice profits in those LZ, take them. Take the profits. Don't mess around. I mean, we could catch a bid next week and everything goes higher. We're catching a bid right now. Those options are at 160 now, guys. Did anybody take those? Just for the hell of it? Fake bounces gives us more profits. Yeah. What do you think about CDW will drop too? Yeah, I'm in CDW short. We covered half. We went in again, and now we're in the driver's seat again. What do you think about NVIDIA movements last 2 days? Mike, I think they sucked people in, and they're kicking them in the crotch again. That's what I think. 157 on those options, guys. Almost 50%. That was what, 3 minutes? 3 minutes ago? NVIDIA. You know what? I haven't looked at NVIDIA today. Let's look at it. NVIDIA getting a pop. Yeah, this one, 110, 115, maybe even lower, guys. I still think we're going to 120, 100, right in here somewhere. 111.95 is my target, but this thing continues lower. You are at great support at 146.98. When you start getting long candles like this on the monthly, guys, it's lights out. You'll get short-term bounces, and every time these bounce, unless the markets start to rally, these are just going to be led with more selling. So if you're in this thing, great. Take some off the table, let it bounce again, do it again. Just like LZ, Facebook, and Mark, cover those. If they bounce, short them again. What do you think about NVIDIA? Yeah, just be careful with this one. They're taking everyone out again. Everyone's trying to buy the dip on this stock of the year. Everyone bought it here, chased it there, bought it here, bought it there, chased it here. And it's just not, and then if it stays in this lower range below the MAs, this is setting up for lower prices, in my opinion, at least. We all have assholes, just like we have opinions, but that's what I'm seeing. And so far, these retraces are led to more selling. If you remember, you got to watch the SPY videos. I want to see those views up, guys. I got too many members in there. to not have people not watching my stuff. Then I got members asking me, hey, well, what happened here? It's like, did you watch the video? No. It's like, come on. You got to watch those videos. Got to watch the video. 80, yeah. CDW, yeah. I think lower. Let's go monthly time frame. Let's see what the monthly's telling us. 75. Right here. We already took off half, shorted again. Now we're in the driver's seat. If thing goes up again, we'll do it again. So I'm still not in a 10% position. Still have room. Still have some wiggle room. Guys, when you get a big account, when you work your ass off for 11 years and you just bust and grind and work your freaking tail off and build yourself a big account, you could take trades. If I have a $1 million account, I'll do $25,000 positions, guys. I'm not going to do 100,000. I'd rather have 40 $25,000 positions than three $300,000 positions. So that's just stress to me, guys. That it's not worth it. I'd rather have 50 positions out there at 50 grand a pop, and then do it that way. I could have a $9 million account, whatever. I've traded with a guy with a $150 million account. Great guy, just wouldn't listen. I told him to buy puts on. I actually told him to buy puts last week. The puts went from another one, $1 to like $9, and it's like, I didn't take the trade. It's like, oh my God. All right. What is that? 1221, you think? Oh, I don't know. Are you in options with that one? These are monthly chart plays. This could take 2-3 months. I mean, but downside for the next couple of days. It all depends on the market. You see how the market comes in and everything gets dragged down. Markets remain weak. This will go another 2, another 3, another 2, and just keep going. So, but it's CDW, guys, Computer Discount Warehouse or whatever it is. It should be at least a $700 stock, because Kramer said, and the guy he brought on gave it a double upgrade. But yeah, I mean these are, I mean, every position, guys. Everyone. I was getting emails on Workday coming in. If you guys are making money on this, start pulling some off. You guys might have got a better size position than me. I added again, and I'm in the driver's seat on this, but I'm going to be a little piggy on this one. I still think we go to 150, 152, another 10. If it does that, I'll cover half again. In and out, guys, in and out. That's what we're trying to do here. Don't be messing around with these markets. You start getting cute, you know what happens? You become the donk. The donk. But yeah, Facebook, MAR. What's MAR? I don't even know what MAR is. Is that a stock? Let's see here. Monthly. Yeah, monthly. So we're going to hit the target on there. Your next target is $94. Facebook can't even catch a break. Facebook, you're in a good support here, though. You really are. Let's see if we came into the weekly 200 MA. I think we did. Yeah, that's holding. So it did hit target on here. So this one could bounce. But Facebook cracks this low here and closes below this on a weekly. See, today they saved Facebook here. We closed below. They got it above. They're trying to hold this. But if we start going sideways on a weekly chart, 20 MA curls in the price, we're going right here, guys. We're going to fill this gap at 115, 110. Everyone's like, oh, what? 110? Well, why? Why do you think it's going lower? I don't know. But you look at the SPY, and I'll show this to you. For all you new guys here, here's the monthly, and I'll show it again. I'm going to show it every time I do a live video. .com boom, housing crash. This is where we're at now. Do you think we're that good or a healthy market to be way the hell up there? Hell no. No way. The only thing that's saving us, we're holding the 20 MA, and it looks like on the monthly we're getting a little bit below it. But on the weekly chart, this is the one that's talking to us, guys. Perfect. Oh, God. And if you're a member, you'll get the weekly close. You'll get the update. ALB broke support a few days ago. What's your price target down and sideways bearish? Let's see. ALB. Yeah, look at that. Down, sideways. Look at that. Well, target's going to be 86 right now. We got great sideways pressure building up for the next leg down. Let's go to the monthly. Yeah, 84. Oh, man. All right, so we already hit that. Look at that, trying to retrace right back down. Oh my gosh, this is going to lead to a lot lower prices. I at $50. I mean, you're gonna have some stops there. Big area though, about 75. Markets start to dump. This will be a $50 stock. Everyone's like, "What? $50? You're out of your mind." Yeah. And you know when Apple hit 700 and then it went to 350? Anyone ever think that was going to happen? No. The guys who taught me how to trade, we were short at like 704, 703. So, you know, that's the way we got it. Yeah, ABL, that ALB, that thing's going down. Bigger time frame consolidation. Unless this pattern fails enough. If it goes up, we'll be shorting again. But this was another high flyer. Look at that thing. Freaking jeez. Straight, you know, goes from 41 to 145 in what, 2 years? And everyone's like, "Oh, upgrade it. This thing I think is the next stock of the year." And slam it. But what a run, guys! Just like all the rest of them, Nvidia, Apple, Google, Amazon, all of them, guys, did the same crap. It's the same crap over and over. And you know, as the months were going by and I started my StockBookie thing, it was like, oh my God, all these things are stretched. Every one. Every chart, guys, monthly chart time frame, 20 MA targets when they're stretched. Look at that, hit it. Where's Amazon? Almost hit it. That one will be kissing that one. Google, hit it. Apple, hit it. Nvidia, that thing's going for the 50 MA now. Jeez. What else? Facebook. I always get the B in there. F and B. That one's still going. Second target. AAOI. I love showing this one. This one everyone's ripping me. Target. Even 3M. That was a high flyer. Look at that. That thing's setting up bearish. Caterpillar. High flyer. Target. What was another one? BA. Did BA hit? Yeah, BA did hit. Target. This is a massive bullish pattern, guys. If this bullish pattern fails at the highs on a monthly chart, BA will be coming back to 207 easily. Gosh. These were great shorts, too. We shorted these intraday, Amazon and BA. Oh, got paid on those. All right. So those options are coming right back in, guys. 120 now. So they popped up to about 160 and then right back in. So that would have been the quick bounce. I didn't take that trade, but, you know, that's what kind of crap I look for. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what's this? Who's calling me here? Oh. All right, that's my mom now. Are you seeing these markets? And the day looks terrible. I'm out of my long, no profit, no loss. Gamble didn't pay off. Yeah, let it go lower, man. If these markets get beat, you know what we'll do with GE? We'll buy if we get a couple up days in a row on the SPY and everything, and this thing starts holding, we'll pop in the GE for a little bit. ALB, watch for earnings tonight. Oh, is there earnings tonight on that one? Is there? Hold on. No shit. Really? Tonight? On a Friday? No. December 6th? Let me see here. I honestly don't know. I don't have anything that's closing for earnings on that one, but Alex is saying earnings tonight on ALB, so watch for that if you guys are in ALB. I'll be watching that too. If anybody can confirm that, let me know. I do not see it on there, but yeah. Yeah, GE, is it going lower? Yeah, GE's just a dead turd. And GE, they're just taking everybody out now. Yeah, I didn't see it either, but maybe. Oh, is it? Okay. I'm not sure though, Alex. I'm not sure. Usually on Fridays, there's not a lot of earnings going off after hours. In the morning sometimes. But yeah, you'd have to probably go to their website and look on there and maybe, you know, and then talk to them, you know, and see if they have anything announcement on their website. Sometimes that helps too. Al, baby! What'd I tell you about Tesla spiking? Oh, we added more short today. Ah, Sir, you missed it. Shit. That's all right though, man. We shorted it though today. We got in. Well, we've been covering and going short, covering and going short. Tesla, the world's greatest trading stock ever, ever, guys. Goes up 100, short it. You don't even have to look at a chart. Goes 100, short it. And we added more at 374.40. And honestly, I might pull half off. We done that. This will be the third time we take a good profit off of this. I think we're up about $50 on this one now on this trade. Now we're really in the driver's seat. So these options are coming back in, guys. They're $1.10 now. So if you did take those, you should have been out of them. I didn't take them though, so. Good deal. Yeah, well, that's as planned. I told you if everything's popping, I'm doing it. Won't go poor that way. Yeah, exactly, Al. You got it. And that's why I'm trying to tell people. I got, you're short Tesla again. Yeah, I'm $50 in the money. If my average price is $369 now, if it goes up $50, then I'll be underwater on the trade. I'm not going to let that happen, but yeah, you don't go broke taking profits, guys. Period. We got about 10 minutes left to the markets, guys. Slowing down a little bit. We have 128 million on the SPY. If you are members at StockBookie.com, watch for the weekend update. You got to watch that stuff. Friday closes are the most important right now. It's what we're really following. You can't follow intraday crap because it's going to shake you up and down. You got to follow the weekly close at this point. Damn, I wish we would have held on to these puts. That was the plan. When we start pushing 100% on them, you know what? Goodbye. Maybe my problem is I got to go smaller on the put positions. I tell you guys to take one contract, but I do. You know what? If you have small accounts, it's one contract. I'm trying to teach you guys money management. You guys will get to that point where you could take 50 contracts, 100 contracts, stuff like that. But yeah, interesting stuff today, guys. Tesla gets upgraded. That you couldn't even ask for a better. I didn't even see the upgrade. I just saw the move on the chart. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm adding more. That was and now we're back inside this thing. That was key for me. If you closed above this 366.97 area, then it was like, ugh, never closed above it, guys. And I don't even think it's going to look at that. It's still coming in today. Take care. Sunday, Elon has an oh, really? Oh, God. Could rally or not after that. Oh, yeah. You know what? I'm gonna probably, maybe that's why it's coming in with the interview now. Is it with Joe Rogan? If it's with Joe Rogan, then I'm sticking with it. They'll probably smoke a doob and then it will tank on Monday. You know what though? That's good to know. You know what though? Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna take half off the table then. All right, hold on here. Maybe I'll just do the quarter position that I added today and get that. Let me see. Well, if I cover, then you guys hold. Most likely it's going to go lower. That's how it usually works for me. I just want to look at where did I take the last 350, 380, 336. I took it off. 53, 63. Yeah, it's still a pretty good trade though, guys. I mean, we got in at 374. It's almost $15 again. All right, we'll see it. Let's see what these markets do. Let's see if I still have about 9 minutes to do this. But it's one of those things you don't want to be in this thing and it's flying up. And I'd rather, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to do that. If we fly up on Monday, then I'll just I'll add more. All right, guys, let's see here. All right, markets are pushing up a little bit. All right, I'm gonna hold tight on Tesla right now, guys. See if we could get one more push down. Man, you know, and it, you know what? We're splitting hairs now. If you guys want to get out, it's a $15 gain from our entry price right now, guys. I'm out at 361. I'm done. Or half out. I'm not done. Still in half the position. All right, that's it. So 361. I'm out half again. We're locking them in, guys. Screw it. You know what? Thanks for that information with that. So 361. We pulled off $15 on that one. All right, that was a nice little day trade for that. Boom and out. And then look. So we were out. We added the half position back. We took half off at 361, the position that we put in there. Boom. Now we gain another almost 14 bucks on that trade. 13 whatever, 13.50. Oh God, here comes the donkey guy. Donkey balls. Oh, you sound like a blah blah blah. You're drunk. Oh, I'm drunk, all right. No, dude, you must be on drugs or something, dude. Go seek help, brother. Go seek a doctor. You really need some help. All right, let's see here. Honestly, I love that interview. Yeah, when they're smoking a joint, yeah, want to get high, yeah, exactly. Apple, yeah, 170 is the marker there. That's what it's holding, 169. You got to watch it. Ooh, did we fill the gap on Apple? Ooh, oh, look at that. We filled the gap on Apple, guys. Ooh, look at that. Interesting. We could bounce next week, maybe. That's interesting there. All right, guys, look at some of these positions, guys, that we're in here. Wow, look at that. For day trading, what value does it go off of? For day trading, like intraday stuff, you can use some margin. I don't mind that. But for the 25 grand minimum, that is, yeah. If you're in 25 grand, then it's 10%. It's 2,500 bucks for a swing trade with shares. If you're doing options, then it's smaller. Now, options would be 1 to 3% of your portfolio, so a couple $100. Alta broke 550. Really? Let's see. When I'm doing these time sessions, I'm like, oh, look at that right there. All right, guys. If you're in Alta still, we're hitting the 200 MA here. Just exit this at this point. Exit. If you haven't got out of it yet. All right. Yeah, that's the area we're looking for, guys. Wow, look at that, guys. Right to it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, guys. I'm out of Alta, guys, at 253. I'm done. Alta's closed. Gosh. All right, guys, 253, I am out. Alta is done. Guys want to hold, or you want to be a little piggy, that's fine, but we're hitting the 200 MA on the daily. That could be a bounce area. Apple also filled the gap too. Let's see where the Apple closes. We'll go from there. Wow, another good trade, guys. Donkey, see that one? Watch and learn. We covered half of the half at 264. We got another 10 on this trade, guys. That's how it's done, baby. That's how it's done. Donkey can't go live because he's a paper trader, and all his stuff is 15-minute delayed, so he can't do live stuff. All right, wait a minute. I'm 15 minutes delayed. Wait, let's short Tesla 15 minutes later. Oh, man. Good timing. Glad I caught it. Yeah, you know what? I actually right now I'm looking at the time going, all right, well, let's see. Hold on here. What else is coming in? Workday, you could protect that one. That one's down. Autodesk, if you guys, that's down 750. Adobe, if you took that one. Amazon down 70. How's those options going for you in Amazon? or what else? He took Netflix calls today too, getting hammered. People still hold. They're doing fine. And then he'll tell everybody they're doing fine. Look at AutoZone, though. Un-effing believable. This time will come on this one. Even Burlington, guys, coming back. Burlington, guys. Where are we here? God, look at that. If you want it, you know what? Yeah. You know what to do if you're in Burlington. All right, guys, if you're in Burlington, you know what to do. All right, I gotta do. I'm asleep at the wheel, guys. All right, so that one. Gosh, sorry guys if I'm not paying attention. We'll look at some stuff after these markets close. 347 on Mealy, so that one's all right. LLY. I'm trying to be a little more patient on these guys. All right, let's see where EL is. Now I'm going to try to show you guys what's going on here. Yeah, EL's coming in a little bit more. Damn it, came in a lot more, guys. Shoot. Still, we could get a little more on that one. That's not too bad. It's trying to hold that 50. Its markets are going to close. All right, guys, if something's coming in and you're not selling it, dump it. Take some profits. Monday, we might get a bounce. We'll see. Watch the weekend update. We're going to stick around for a little bit after hours here. Twilio's at 89. I wanted to see that one. Where's AXP? AXP. That one is at 106, so we're good with that one. Burlington, you know what we did there. CLX, where's CLX? Shit, it's going to be closing. All right, guys, remember, if you're, it's not a big deal. Hopefully we'll get some more downside on Monday, and we'll get out of it. You can still get out after hours on these, just a little bit harder sometimes depending on the stock. Look at Goose, though, guys. We get out of it, and look at that. It's kept going lower. All right, guys, markets are closed. Wow. Oh, yeah, take the money and run. You got that one. Tesla, oh, my gosh. Look at that. Damn it, covered it, and look what it does. 57, son of a bitch. Every flipping time, guys. 4 more bucks down. It's all right, though. So you know why? Because people cover and they want you to chase it. Yeah, Christoph, I'm on LSD. I'm on drugs. That's all I do. On drugs. This is the guy that keeps lying and lying and lying about me. What's your typical hold times? Minutes, hours, days? It's a little bit of everything, Michael. We took a SPY trade today. We bought the options at 113. They hit like $8 today. That trade we were in 50. I was in it for 50 minutes. I bought at 113. Here, I'll show you the trade. So typically, I mean, we could be in trades sometimes a couple months, depending if they're high flyers. We could be trades for 20 minutes. It really depends on what's going on. We do a lot of after hours trading with earnings, gaps and craps. But this was the trade here. Yeah, and I missed. You know what? Nothing. No one's a perfect trader. I get my profits, and I take it and run. I don't give a shit. So this one here. So we bought the SPY today. I tell people, don't load the boat. This is a high-risk trade. We're taking it off a topping tail, which I was following on the SPY, all right? So we bought at 113, sold at 156. Bought again. It came back up on us and went back on, under, or never. It never even went under again, that. But we bought at 119 again. I took half off at 166. So right there, I already got a pretty nice profit in this trade, almost 100% right there. And then as it was going up, I sold half of the half at 225, and then the rest of the remainder at 305. So it was at least 100% position. These things went to like $8, $9. So I don't know if anyone else held. When I take these trades, I know exactly what to do. I need to tell my members, don't load the boat because I don't want anyone to get killed, like the donkey. Just buy options and just load the house. If we took those 3 trades, you would have been a millionaire. But what about the 20 other losers you had? Yeehaw. No, but yeah. But that was a great there. And these things went to like $8, almost $9 or some crap. Actually, I don't even know where they went. December, let's take a look. 271s. I think they were $8. Actually, right now they're at 774. 717 they went off at. So I think they maybe 750 it was. But these are, these are more intraday trades, expiration date today, where, hey, we're in and out. Yeah, 777 those options were. But those things were flying. So yeah, so that's there really isn't a typical, if we're doing more day trading stuff, then we're trying to get in and out. But yeah, I mean it is minutes, hours, or days, or weeks or months. For day trading, what value does go off of? Total account. Yeah, total account value, Sean. So if you have 100 grand with no margin, nothing, 10% positions would be no more than 10 grand. 1 to 3% would be the option trades. Unless you're doing some like bull call spreads or something where you go a little bit more. When I short calls and short puts, I usually go a little bit bigger. But still, guys, if I have $1 million account, I could go $100,000 positions. I'll go to maybe $25,000, $30,000 positions. I won't do the full 100,000. I'd rather be in 50 positions than in 3. 50. If you were short 50, 60 positions right now on all these high flyers, would you be kicking ass right now? Hell yeah, you would be. And that's what we're trying to do. So as this thing was grinding higher, as the SPY was grinding higher, guys, of course but as the SPY was grinding higher here, I'm looking to short more stuff. Yeah, funny story. Now, you know what? I'm not going to talk about them anymore. Mealy under 360 by 1221. I don't know. I hope so. I'm short that one. It's hard to say. If we get a bid in the markets, these things can actually go up again. Good timing. Glad I called. Yeah, there you go. We out. Yeah, done. Alta's done. One less trade we got to deal with next week. Tesla falling. Yeah, how about that? The sky is falling. Let's see. I have been trading for some while now, but never met any trader manager as good as Mr. Alexander Reams. He flipped my little 700 within a week and trading a strategy. The best guys. Great. I think you're in the wrong room, though. Awesome. There we go. Oh, okay. Awesome. Another troll. Great, Alexander, whatever. Great. Then why are you in my room? Oh, here's some more. Here's all the guys here. There you go. He also trades for my dear. Huh? This is Mr. Alexander Reams. Morgan email. Oh, hey, everybody email him with some spam. Here, I'll keep that one up there. Thanks. Here's his email, guys. I'll even alexanderreams2@gmail.com. I don't know if this is a spam thing or something, but oh God. I met this guy, Alexander Reams. I come in with a fake name. Oh, this might be Pedro. Pedro, is this you? What's the donkey ID or monkey now? I'm not going to tell you that. Oh, how can I contact Mitch? Oh, we got him right here. Oh, Morgan, you could contact him. Here's the email right here. Oh, gosh. I hope is it a spam bot? Maybe I'll have 600 people watching me again. Oh, God. That's all right, though. Here, I'll put him in timeout. He said go all in. He did. So now I got to block people. All right, hold on. All right. Elena Michelle. Oh, it's you. Gosh. Unbelievable. He also trades for me, dear. Oh, my gosh. No way. He trades for you, too. Oh, my gosh. Oh, he trades for me, too, guys. All right, give me a second here, guys. Oh, my God. I think he trades for me, too. Let's see. Hold on. Today, $7 down from 100. Yeah, got the splunk. Yeah, we missed that one going up, but nice, man. Out. See you later. On to the next one. Don't even mess around with these. Yeah, see, and this is what I deal with all the time, guys. Actually, it's been pretty good with the trolls. But hey, whatever. Bring it on. I don't care. I'll go up against anybody. It doesn't, it doesn't really matter to me. I timed this guy out. Ah, there you are, Raj. You come in after the fact. I see how you are. I hope we'll all have a 100% private session soon. Just give him all your money and you'll be rich. Yeah, B-Rabbit, send it. Where was his email? There it is, alexanderreams2@gmail.com. Dude, if you send him the email. He also trades for me, dear. Awesome. Everything is awesome. Great. All right, we'll get rid of those. So, tell Donkey about Alexander Reams, Morgan. Oh yeah, that is probably the donkey. He can't come in and show his face because he knows how stupid he's looking. How's your Netflix options doing? I feel the power. They're going to go higher today. The market should rally. Just cost. Yeah, we killed it, Raj. Got those options too. Those puts. Killed it. Just give them all your money. Yeah. Anything else you guys want to go over? No, just punch it in. If not, we'll end it here, and then look for the weekend update. I think I'm going to start doing that one right now. I like to have it all fresh in my head, and then and then whatever. Yeah, Al. Whatever. It's kind of funny. And sometimes I'll go in and watch the Donkeys live session, and there's people that go in there, and he honestly thinks they're all me, and I just sit there and laugh, and they all attack him, and then he gets all pissed, and it's like, dude, they're just asking you about your 5 trades that were massive losers that all of a sudden disappeared. No exit prices, not like Apple. He was trying to buy Apple calls as it was going up, and every time he get one in, they'd slam it to him. Every 5 in a row, and then he gets one okay one, which is going in the basement now, and then he's like, Apple trade, what was that? We're not in an Apple trade. I sold that for small profits. It's like, oh my God, lying again. Like SCO, guys. Here, let's look at SCO. I'm sure he's in here right now. So SCO, he told me he took profits on this one. He bought at 26. So maybe at 27, maybe a buck. And then as it was down here today, I was ripping them. And then, of course, he's like, I sold those for profits. Where? You bought at 26. I don't know. Well, one of these days here, where did you take a profit? I mean, $1 profit? Okay, I'll give you that. But then it came back down. You got no post, nothing. Not telling your members anything. God, stop being a donkey, dude. Do you ever do a proper open house from like AM on? No, I got my kids in the morning right now. So usually I'm coming out open house, for a week or so. Do you ever do a proper open house from like AM on, John? What do you mean, Al? For a week? I've been doing just for my site and everything, for the StockBookie.com site, or just live sessions. Well, eventually, Al, I'm going to do private live sessions. Right now, I'm building up my members. Right now, I got about 100 and I'm in there. A couple of my friends are in there, so I think I have about 115 people, members right now. Seems rooms do open house trading rooms. Nah, I don't do. I want my own trading room, and that's what I'm really looking for. I want a bunch of good traders in there. They're following my lead. They're following some other guys' leads. Keep it cheap, a monthly fee. Keep the trolls out, because most people aren't going to pay $30 just to come in and troll. And if they do, if I ever do that, their ass is out. I don't give a shit if they paid me or not. They're done. Sue me. Sue me. I'll see you in court. I hope you have some money to sue me. I'll make your life a freaking living hell. And then Donkey Boy, he's broker than can be, and he wants to challenge me. The guy can't come up with $100 option. How the hell are you going to challenge me, dude? John can't do AM, PM thing. I got 4 jobs. He trades, he bakes. Yeah, right. No, the printing, I haven't stepped aside, but I'm brokering most of that stuff now, so it's easy. Is a good way to grow your room. Met. Yeah, you know what? I'm still new at this, guys. I'm a trader. Hold on, guys. Give me a second here. I gotta get the door again. I think it's the UPS guy. Hold on. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Oh my gosh. Hey, work calls. Like again, I broker a lot of stuff, so they're delivering. It's a good way to grow your room. Most action is at the open. Yeah, I know. I'm out. Thanks, John. Having a great weekend. Yeah, have a good one, Len. Would be great. Shake and bake in a great room in that time frame. Yeah, I know, Al. But a lot of times I got my kids in the morning. I am trading in the morning. Don't get me wrong. I am looking at stuff, doing stuff. But sometimes my kids come in, they're screaming. We're trying to get them ready. My wife takes them. I know. But you know what? And if worse comes to worse, Al, they got my Twitter feed. We posted the SPY put play today, the trade. We made good money on that. Yeah, that's what that guy say with the Alex guy trade, Alex Reams or whatever. I started with $800 and I got it to 900. Well, shit, if you would have took that option today with me at the SPY and bought at $1.15, they went to 8. If you would have bought 10 contracts, you would have made that in a day. Alex Reams, you suck. No, but I don't even know the guy. But yeah, that's what I get. Yeah, no, I hear you. In the morning, I know. In the morning as a scalper, though, Al, is the best time to trade. And you know what? We've been getting some really good action. 158 million on the SPY. But the SEO trade, yeah, I took profits. Of course he took profits. He's getting smashed right now. No post, nothing. Freaking Donkey Boy. That's your new name, Donkey Boy. What else here? Yeah, real SQ. Everyone's, do we go long SQ? Do we go long SQ? No, it's in a downtrend. God, even Twilio came in. Where'd Twilio end up? Look at that, 89 bucks. In the driver's seat again on that one. That goose, though, that sucks. Alta, beautiful. AZO is the only one that's being a bear. Damn, I wish it would be a bear. But again, you know, that's one of those. I've dealt with AZO before. It's kind of like DPZ, same crap. I'd buy a charitable childhood trust. But look at it, it's making a massive rounded top. A little bit of a head and shoulder, not the best. But yeah, this one, let's see, monthly chart. Monthly chart, I'm sure the 20 MA is up there by now, yeah. This one's time. This one 171. Why is everyone talking about GE now? Are they talking about, are they bringing GE up? Well, because it's at the low. It's at the bottom of the stick here. You guys, if they're talking about it, don't buy yet. Buy at about 560, $5. But it's GE. So, all right, guys. I think that's going to be it. Anybody else? Any other symbols? What a great week, though, guys. If you're members, we have freaking killed it this week. And then all our put plays, even the ones that were upside down, all came in. 7 nice put plays, the guys, on all the indexes. Awesome. Let's review SPY and IWM. John, wish SPY had more volume today. Well, it had pretty good volume today. All right, couple more, and we'll get the hell out of here. Up a little bit after hours, $6, 2.32% red, holding that area, guys. Again, you come off of a high pivot straight down, you better look out. We're holding this. We're holding it though. But you know, get some elongated candle. Look at that little bullshit reversal. If you watched my video yesterday, you know exactly what we were looking for. Filled the gap. What happened, guys? So that was something to look for. You know, if we can't close above that gap, you know what's going to happen. That's exactly what it did. IWM off the lows of the day. Raj, I'll go over this in the nightly video a little bit more. I don't want to, you know, this is for my members, but yeah, this is an ugly close, guys. I mean, we're not. It's still okay, but a little bit ugly right now. So just watch out. Weekly close too. We're gonna go in that. We're following the weekly close. Where would we be right now? We'd probably be upside down, guys. This isn't my chart that I follow though for when I do all my analysis. Yes, did 2.5 million contracts, not bad. Did 27 million contracts, nice. Yeah, it's not bad. You know, it could be better, but we'll see. We'll see when the time comes. Other than that, did that any earnings after the bell today, guys? Did you guys see anything or no? And we got out of some more positions today. That was beautiful. Yeah, every moment we get, guys, we're taking them off. So now we're out of half of Burlington. We closed out Alta. We covered half of the Tesla trade. We got out of AMD now. That's closed. What else here? The GLD. GLD, is that still grinding? Yeah, look at that, guys. Going for the target. This was a shitty base, but you know, as long as it came back and got above, look at that, taking off again. We got in right here, guys. 111.80 right in there. So we're almost there. We get that almost $10. We'll be half out. It hits the 200 MA, we're half out. I'd like 120. Let's look at the weekly. See if we got any other reason to sell. Yeah, 120 right there. Yeah, so we even have a breakdown area. So yeah, 119, 120, we get there, we're taking half off. Man, look at this, just grinding. Little bit. This is bearish though, guys, but we made the low, higher low, higher low. Little bit of a micro bull here, and then pop. And look at this. Weekly, we close above the 200. If we could get above that and close again up in here, then I think we might even be off to the races. So that's something to watch for too. All right, guys. Yeah, Carmela. Yeah, Carmela, me, and Raj, we go way back. They know the donkey too. Didn't hear, didn't see, didn't. Yeah, I didn't either, Al. I was just asking. Not listening to CNBC. Yeah, exactly. Big earnings this afternoon on big or no? There couldn't be any earnings. I don't think there was any actually. All right, guys, that's going to be it for me today. Part 2 of the live session will end in a couple. But again, guys, I want to thank you for stopping by, watching my stuff. Big lots, really? No. Big? Oh, they might have had earnings today. Yeah, they weren't that great, Raj. Yeah, no problem, Al. Thank you, buddy, for stopping by. No, I appreciate you. I appreciate everybody comes in here. Come in here, throw some trades out there. Tell me what you're looking at. You see any head and shoulders, any good pivot points, anything, guys? Yeah, big earnings miss, huge. I mean, there it is right there. We looked at that today. Monthly. We got to go to a bit. Yeah, see that monthly time frame. I mean, that's a good area. If that doesn't hold, big's going down big. But look at this trend line though, guys. What was I showing you with all this stuff? Look at this one. Every time, and eventually you're going to catch that one. But look at this. Every time I hit it, boom, boom, boom. Then it's kind of chop. Go one more, boom. This was the mammoth. Bam. So everyone's like, oh, and then I'm sure someone's talking about this trend line. Oh, we're above the trend line. It's going to break out. Everyone pile in, and then they slam it in their face. John, can you do the Warren voice one more time, please? Room lights up when you do that. I don't even know what I was doing it. I don't even know what I was doing. I'll do it again, Raj. Now you got me all flustered and everything. Yeah. Is it with the Becky Quick interview? Hi, Warren. This is Becky Quick. Oh, hey, Becky. How's it going? Can I sit on your lap and do an interview with you? I don't think that was the voice, but... Yeah, it's so funny with Becky Quick. Call Becky, call Warren, get him on. But there's only one chair out there. So what? Buffett will sit on her lap. Or better yet, Becky will sit on Warren's lap. I bought more Apple, Becky. Can you tell? But Apple, guys, let's go to that one more time before we roll out of here. It did fill the gap. That was a big one. Not a monster one, but a big one. But we're right there now, 169.05, and we're closed below it. Is that maybe a bear trap possibly? But if we don't get that bounce off that gap fill, we're going to 160, 150, then 141 here. Hey, you like that, B-Rabbit? I'll do more. It depends. If we're having a great day, it's again, trading's fun when you're ripping it up and having good trades. It's no fun when you're getting your ass kicked. And that's it. I got another new member here though. Woo woo! If you're in the room right now and you signed up, shoot me off or follow me on Twitter, and then shoot me off an email and tell me your handle. You got to follow me at StockBookie if you're a paid member, and I'll get you into the room. But man, what a week, guys. Let's keep cranking the ass on these markets. And let's see what it gives us next week. For all I know, we get our ass kicked going on the upside, but if not, we'll be ready to get some more shorts going on. If we do get some massive downside on Monday, Tuesday, maybe on some news or something, don't wait for me to cover trades, guys. Just start picking them off. You wait for me, they might bounce up. Even today, we're starting slowly grinding, and then it came right back in, and we not closed at the lows, but pretty damn close. It was a great day, though. Great week, great everything, guys. And thanks again for being members. I really do appreciate it. And if you're not a member, go to StockBookie.com. Sign up, guys. $30 a month. There's no way you couldn't have made money in the last couple of weeks. There's just no way. Unless you're going long, then and you're not listening to me. But even if you're going long, guys, you got to think about what you're doing. Tighten the stops, smaller positions, and get in and get out. Just like the SPY trade today, guys. We got out, we made good profits. It went up on us, but we still made money. So the next trade that we take a put, remember, we had 7 winners on those put plays. So if we open up 4 new put plays next week because we retraced, remember, we had 7 winners. So now we're doing the same size positions. So if we have 7 or 4 losers, we still have 3 winners. Or even take half the size. Take $50 options then. Cut it in half. So if you have those 4 losers, they're not going to wipe out all your 7 losers, stuff like that. There's different ways to skin a cat, guys, different ways to trade, different ways to be a donkey too. You like that, guys? Throw the donkey in there. All right, guys. Thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. God bless, and have a great weekend. See you on the charts.